Hello, you're watching a weekly review of the US stock market prepared for you by InstaForex TV team with me, Kate Stichina. Wall Street wrapped another solid week on Friday as industrial and energy companies gained momentum, but quarterly results from several big US banks didn't thrill investors. The Nasdaq Composite Index eked out a small gain to close at 7,825.98. The index climbed by 137.59 points, or 1.8% on the week. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average ticked up to 25,019.41, with the United Technologies and Walgreens Boots Alliance outperforming. The Dow jumped by 562.93 points, or 2.3% for the week, and closed above 25,000 for the first time since June 15. The S&P 500 index settled higher at 2,801.31. The S&P 500 posted on Friday its best closing level since early February, as shares from some of the largest tech companies hit record highs. Over last week, the S&P 500 rose by 41.49 points, or 1.5%. The benchmark indexes rose as concerns over a trade war between the United States and China eased. Investors were optimistic over what was expected to be a strong second quarter US earnings season, although reports on Friday from three of the biggest banks failed to stir up market participants. Shares of JP Chase slipped by 0.5% on Friday after rising as much as 0.9%. JP Chase posted better than expected earnings and sales, as its trading revenue rose by 13% in the second quarter on a year-over-year basis. At the same time, shares in Citigroup Incorporated declined by 2.2%, the most among financials after their revenue fell short of estimates due to lower debt underwriting. Wells Fargo & Company dipped by 1.2% after its profit fell more than expected as lending slowed and costs increased. You are watching weekly review of the US stock market on the InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.